Aside from taking the stairs instead of the elevator and doing more lunges at the gym, there are other ways to make your butt look bigger and more beautiful. Here are 16 of them. Number 16. Shop for bright-colored shorts or pants that you think will help draw attention to your bottom, but avoid shiny fabrics. Satin, taffeta, silk, and similar textiles having a sheen or gloss can magnify imperfections, and of course, dark colors are slimming. Number 15. A bold-colored skirt with a light top adds weight to your bottom. Number 14. Checkers add volume. Number 13. Here is a skirt that has 5 things going for it at once. It's plaid. Plaid patterns add volume. It's pleated, which adds volume without looking sloppy. It's got a seam just below the butt. Its colors are in contrast to the white top. And finally, the elastic band around the waist increases the hip-to-waist ratio. Number 12. Wear dresses and skirts that change color right below your butt. Number 11. Add girth to your behind by wearing a skirt or dress with horizontal color blocking, especially when there is a color change just below your butt. You can see by this image how powerful horizontal blocking is, even though the color nearest the butt is dark blue. Stretchy bandage-style skirts also show off your butt. Number 10. Wear thongs. Most women tend to wear ordinary underwear because many find thongs to be uncomfortable or impractical. Wear them when you don't want to worry about visible panty lines. Number 9. Wear heels. While heels don't add girth to your butt, wearing heels improves your posture, making you push your chest forward and pushes your butt outward. When you wear high heels, you tighten up the muscles in your legs and glutes so you can balance. It's a forced butt lift. The higher the heels, the rounder and more lifted your butt will look. Heels also make your hips swing when you walk and elongate your legs. Number 8. Short or crop jackets and blazers with cinched waists enhance an hourglass figure. In this image, an hourglass figure is obtained even though the skirt is black. Number 7. Keep it tight around your waist. The waist-to-hip ratio is important. If you want your butt to look bigger, make your waist look smaller. Avoid loose-fitting dresses and shirts that fall freely, and choose form-fitting clothing that's snug at the waist. Look for materials that don't lose elasticity. Cotton and lycra blends provide shape longer without bagging. You want a defined waistline to create an hourglass effect. Number 6. Pay attention to the cut of your jeans. If you feel your butt is too small, avoid boot cut and flared styles, as these tend to make your butt look even smaller. Go with skinny jeans to make your rear look bigger compared to your legs. Pants that are too tight will flatten your butt. Fitted jeans with some stretch are a much better look than stiff, heavy denim. Number 5. Pay attention to the pockets. Pockets play a crucial role in how your butt looks. Large and deep pockets make the butt look smaller and flat. Smaller pockets make the butt look bigger. Pockets that are placed slightly lower on your cheeks give the impression that your butt is perkier. Number 4. Pay attention to the yoke. The yoke is the seam seen below the waistband and above the back pockets. A straight yoke will do nothing to flatter your rear. Choose jeans with an upward arc or heart-shaped yoke seam, which will create the illusion of a rounder, fuller butt. Number 3. Carry a small purse. A small purse makes your butt look bigger. Number 2. Wear yoga pants. Yoga pants aren't just for yoga. Most yoga pants are black, and any black pants mask imperfections, including cellulite. They're also tight, which holds and sucks everything in, similar to a girdle. Pull them up as high as you can. This will make your butt look bigger. Avoid leggings. In sunlight, thin fabrics show dimples. They also look better on you indoors than they do out in public, where they can surprise you and everyone around you, because leggings are almost transparent in natural light. Number 1. Use Massk's 3-step kit and get a beautiful butt in just 20 minutes. Massk's 3-step kit adds nutrients, removes blemishes, tightens, tones, exfoliates, and improves the radiance of your butt. He's not checking out your elbow. So before the beach or the bedroom, visit beautifulbutt.com. beautifulbutt.com.